Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. You want interesting and attractive dance routines from figures which are described in technique books? Don't miss this video series and enjoy sound technical demonstration by Edgars Linis and Eliza Ancane, our current Latvian champions in standard dances and also former Latvian dance champions in youth group. We start today with Tango routine number 7, open natural turn, outside spin, natural twist turn from closed position and in and out. Open natural turn, we can dance in timing slow and quick, which means 4 beats. Slow and quick. So next thing will be outside spin, quick, slow, and this time last step we will do with pivot. And after that we will continue to natural twist turn, this time from closed position and timing quick, slow. Quick, slow. And we need 2 more beats to finish phrasing, and we dance in and out and slow. And now let's look at man's steps from beginning. Man starts with left foot from promenade position, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, to side, back, slip and pivot, forward outside partner, to side and pivot, forward, to side, cross, untwist, to promenade position and in, out. Let's look at ladies steps. Lady starts with a right foot from promenade position, to side in promenade, forward in promenade, forward outside partner, close, forward and pivot, back, close, forward and turn to promenade position, then in, out. And now let's look at timing for natural twist turn from closed position. So original timing for this figure is slow, quick and quick, slow. But for our case I decided to change timing because of previous speed of rotation energy to quick, slow. So from beginning we will dance slow and quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. And now let's count routine with numbers 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Slow and quick, slow, quick, slow, and slow. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn more personally from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.